So in this video, I'll show you how to set up a VPN on your Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. Now the first step is to go ahead and install the VPN that you wish to set up on your phone. So look for the Play Store and then simply search for that specific VPN. So for me, I prefer to use NordVPN, but again, depending on the VPN that you currently prefer to use, just go ahead and search for it and then install that specific VPN onto your device. Once it's been successfully installed, simply tap on Open to launch it. Now from here, go ahead and go through the process of just accepting and setting up the VPN by allowing notifications and logging in to your account. And once you've successfully added your account and you've successfully logged in, you can now simply select Secure Your Connection. Now from here, you'll see this connection request pop up appearing, and it will tell you your VPN wants to set up a connection that allows it to monitor your network traffic. So now all you need to do is simply select OK. And once you've done that, you've successfully connected to a VPN on your Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. You'll also be able to tell that your VPN is currently enabled whenever you see this key icon at the top on your status bar. This always tells you that you're connected to a VPN. If, say, for example, that your VPN has been disconnected, that icon will disappear, telling you that you're now vulnerable to anything that's currently online. However, if you reconnect, like so, then the icon should reappear. And so that is how you can set up your VPN on your Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.